YouTube. Today I want to show you a new tablet PC I just received from Merry Mobiles. This one is called the Rena 3. It comes with a wall charger. It comes with a USB hosting cable, a standard USB cable, and it also comes with a quick user's guide, which is actually in English, so I guess it's useful. This device has a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen which supports multi-touch, and it has a 800 by 480 pixel resolution. It has a Cortex A9 CPU inside, which is supposed to be a dual-core CPU, and as far as I can tell, it is clocked at around 1 GHz. It runs on Android 2.2. It supports Flash. It has 4 GB of internal memory and 512 MB of RAM, but you can also extend the memory by TF cards. It has a G sensor, and it also supports Bluetooth, which is very rare on those Shansai devices. Of course it has Wi-Fi. It has a built-in camera. I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. What else? Let's take a quick look. You have your on-off buttons right there. You have dedicated volumes up-down switches right there. You have a standard 3.5mm headphone jack. This is your USB port for exchanging data, but you can also charge it with it, which is cool. This is your HDMI output. This is where your power charger goes. On the downside right here, this is where your TF card goes, and this is a mysterious connector which nobody really knows what it does. I suppose it's for a docking station or something like this. And that is your speaker outputs right there. Anyway, I installed some software just to show you what you can do with this device. I pretty much use the same apps and games that I always use, so you can compare it to other devices I've shown you already. Enjoy!